Today we're gonna make a cocktail that by the end, if we haven't crushed Dan's ego, then he's just fucking.
You're gonna have to try to make it and
then
tell me what you think.
He's not crushable.
That's right.
It's gotta be it. Try this drink.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the Home Bartender Starter Kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek gonna make for you a drink. It's called the Poet's Dream.
Old-timey drink?
Old-timey drink.
Old-timey.
Right in the black and whites.
Boom.
This recipe, the recipe ingredients are 2 ounces of gin. It's a dry gin. 3/4 ounce of dry vermouth, because dry, it's the theme.
Yeah.
1/4 ounce of Bénédictine, makes it less dry. And 2 dashes of orange bitters, makes it more bitter, and then a lemon twist. Everything we've done has a lemon twist on it.
I know.
Good thing you have all these lemons.
Right?
He's getting so good at the lemon twist.
Yeah, there's
lately.
no choice.
Usually we do no garnish.
Yeah.
Lemon twist.
I think he just likes to cut things.
He's killing it.
Ooh.
He's killing it.
Get some gravy.
Yes.
He likes to just slash things.
You know, sometimes
Give me a knife. I'm happy.
he needs a little, a knife, a little artistic ability.
He's a little autistic.
It's like artesian.
Autistic.
Yeah. He's a little autistic.
Whatever.
No, that's this one.
Autistic. It's just the mass accent. It's autistic. The Poet's Dream, 1913. It's a recipe that called for gin, French vermouth. I can go through the recipe in a second. It kind of comes out of the Martini family. 1935, it was in the Waldorf Astoria book. That was its second printing. Now, the first one, this that I found on...
That's old as shit.
Pretty old. It was a third, which is really easy to measure, a third jigger of French vermouth, a 2/3 jigger of dry gin, 2 dashes of orange bitters, 2 dashes of Benedictine, and then you stir it.
How big was the jigger?
Wicked big.
An ounce and a half.
It's not as big as a pony, which is another or a wine glass. These are all like the
I
things
hope
I
a
measure.
jigger's not as big as a pony.
You have to
That's
use.
a big ass jigger.
Yeah, it's a big ass jigger.
Typically, in this case, he's doing it differently because he didn't follow the instructions. But you would stir it. It's fine.
Stir. I thought you'd shake rice. Okay. Yeah, all right.
That's all right.
It's a stir. It's a shake.
We'll live.
Personally,
Okay.
I would have thought it was
shit.
a shake because it has Benedictine in it, which is kind of sweet. But I guess it probably
Give us our lemon twist.
I'm gonna fix this.
I talked you up this
I'm gonna
whole
make
time.
this. I'm gonna make this right.
Yes. I talked you up so much.
Just let you know, like
It's now stirred.
Perfect. Oh, I see the silkiness from the stir.
yeah,
Yeah. It
it's very stirred up looking. It's nice and clear and silky.
I'm like, where's this guy? Did I hit him? Or this is a weird throw.
Was that did I just get zested?
Yeah. You are now lemony fresh, my friend.
You can really.
General
You can
appreciate
really
that.
smell the lemon.
Oh no, it's in there.
It's in there.
Oh boy. Here we go.
No, it's fine. It's just dry.
It's just because there's not enough Benedictine in it. You need to
It's
load up on
oh, we got it.
it. We got a zoom in
Oh
face.
shit.
It's
Only Dad just went lip. Oh, it's like herbal.
so it's not the Poet's Dream that you were expecting.
My eyes are watering.
It's definitely like a herbal martini. It's not like
It is-
strong like a martini.
I understand why the history says this is from the Martini family.
It tastes
Oh.
weak though. It doesn't have like an overpowering like alcohol flavor like a martini does.
His
to
eyes
me.
are red though.
No, but what does that taste like in the middle?
The vermouth.
Really
It's-
struggling.
It's vermouth.
Hold on.
You don't. Do you like vermouth? You drink martinis, right? Just with olives and shit.
I do. That sip was a little better.
Because
I don't think it could have gotten any worse. After,
there's no. Maybe it's because he didn't. Maybe it's because he shook it and he didn't stir it.
No, I don't think that would matter.
No, I
thank you, Dan.
I mean, yeah.
You're a
So-
little limp on that one, huh?
the problem is
Maybe it is a vermouth.
it's just dry. Like it's dry. Like,
It's dry.
It's dry in the. There's no like
It tastes watered down to me.
watered down.
I don't know what it tastes like.
It's got 2 ounces of gin. Like that's.
I know, but it tastes watery to me.
It
Hold
is
on,
a
I'll try it
strong-
again.
It is a strong beverage.
Can't be that bad. This is the third go.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I don't do
Here for the
this.
science.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
I don't like that the finish is like vermouthy, but I'm just not a huge vermouth fan. Although
Maybe that's what it
okay
is.
in some of the drinks. Like
Yeah,
it
I've
must
never
just be.
tried vermouth.
I wonder if it's just the. I don't like a Sandemar gin martini.
It is not. It's not for me.
Might be for Jen and Jay, though.
Oh,
We'll find
We're
out.
not selling that.
you might like it. I think it's a vermouth. I don't. There's a lot of vermouth. Just you gotta try it. I mean, it's not like horrid. It's just I don't. I
As
don't
long as
think
you look
I.
at his face.
It is dry. And I
Share it
don't-
like you shared that maid, Jen.
That's not as bad as they're making it.
I didn't say it was bad. That was him. I just said it was dry.
I personally
It's
don't.
not that bad.
I-
It is watery.
I did
Right?
choke a little bit, but
I don't know. I don't like the vermouth on the back
No,
end.
it's really not that bad.
No, it's
You're
not that
a
bad.
baby. Like, what is happening up there?
so
Not bad.
You know, it almost tastes like it's-
Wow.
Well, there's a lot of lemon.
No. It's not. That's not the lemon. It's a vermouth.
Candies.
It's
the
a-
old school lemon.
No.
Lemon heads?
It tastes like.
No.
This stuff's-
Bleh. It tastes like
I
meh.
can smell it.
It just doesn't work with your taste buds. It's all right.
Yeah.
We're not flavor shaming here.
Wait,
No,
take
we
another
definitely
sip.
are.
Because like you take a sip and you're like, okay, and then like when you're done, it just goes meh.
he just got flavor shamed by two ladies.
Yeah.
Yes.
But it's
That all happened.
But that's not appropriate, and it doesn't
lemon.
like make me think he has a good home environment.
Exactly. Don't shame me for my opinion.
So
He's had a rough month. Give him a break.
Oh,
the women think it's like a lemon grandma candy,
They can have it.
which
I don't
makes
even
sense.
really get lemon. I get lemon like right at the beginning.
You're getting lemon because he stirred it with a lemon.
Yeah, I mean,
That's the
there's
only
literally
lemon
no
you get.
lemon in
It's
that.
not that.
The only lemon is that twist.
No, but there's orange
But you can
bitters.
smell. Well, you can
Oh,
smell
you
it.
can taste
Well,
it.
And you can taste it. Yeah.
I expressed it.
yes.
Yeah, but there's no lemon in it. It tastes like
There's no
vermouth.
Taste lemon.
I've
It could
tasted
be
it
the
3
it
times
could be the
now.
orange
It
bitters.
made my eyes
It
water.
tastes like an old
Or it's the
school
garnish that's
lemon
sitting in
candy.
there. That taste. It does taste like lemon.
It has lemon taste, but not like lemon juice. It has like the,
It needs
the
more
whole.
Benedictine.
Yeah, you can always use more Benedictine.
It was not good.
I have
It's really not that bad. The way you're making it. Woo!
wow. He's got lemon dick on
I
that.
don't like it.
It's not even that vermouthy.
That one made him flaccid.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
So maybe the problem is Dan got two. Maybe we should have put the Irish maize at the end of the.
I tried
whole-
it 3 times.
Did you try 4?
I mean, do you guys like it?
I think it's fine. I mean, I wouldn't. I would
You
if
like
I
it?
ordered it. I probably wouldn't
I
order
mean,
it.
it's not really my style of drink, but I don't hate it. It's not.
See,
Like I don't hate it.
Ian's. I mean,
I ordered it. I
Ian's. He's pretty smart. So the 3 of you.
I mean, by comparison, we're just not there.
My boy
I
is
mean-
wicked smack.
Yeah.
This kid right here, he's so smart. I
feel like-
mean,
I feel
you
like-
guys, you okay?
I feel like he was calling me
I feel
retarded.
like you're saying that because he's agreeing with you.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I feel like you're lashing out a bit, projecting.
No,
I
You're a
feel.
little afraid to be vulnerable.
no. I'm just saying. These are the facts.
Well, you guys, here's what I suggest. Since it's not complicated, you should have Benedictine because
You
it's
can
in
try
like
it.
it's in like
Singapore sling.
Singapore sling. It's probably why I have that one. Either case, the
It's
Benedictine.
worth buying for Singapore slings
I
alone.
mean,
and
you guys can try it.
you can try and make
build
up your own
this,
mind.
and if you buy Benedictine just to build this,
Tell us what you think.
because it'll be fine. Because we have a Singapore sling coming in that by the end of the month, so you're gonna be like all set with your Benedictine. Then you can do shots of Benedictine.
But comment. Tell me. Like, am I out of my mind? I don't think it's a good drink.
Oh, bro, call me retarded.
Come on.
So, all right, there you go. That's the drink. We're leaving it up to the fans to decide because the women shamed him.
Yes.
We think it's okay, but
You tell me.
We didn't shame.
oh no, you were worse than shaming. Like I don't know what it was, but it was worse.
Wasn't that
You
bad?
just said it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, but you just crushed his ego.
It was a little berating.
You used to pony up.
Look, you need to stop leaning on these traditional masculine gender roles. It's just not right to do to people.
Oh God.
And with that, link down below for Bartender Starter Kit. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.
Is this like an old timey drink too?
Old timey.
We need to get costumes. That's what we need to do.
You can't have only dads without costumes.
Yeah, we need to get costumes.
And he's just
like
gonna
if we're gonna do old timey drinks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to change. Like
I
depending on
have
like.
a bow tie.
Okay.
I have like an old bartender
Wait,
costume.
well,
Okay, oh, that's
one of
what
us
you
have
do.
to be in a in like a gimp outfit just to really throw it off.
Well, that depends on the drink.
That's you.
Yeah, that depends on
It'll be the least,
Two people
it'll be
dressed
the
up one
cheapest
way.
because it's the least leather.
But